So we just bought our first building. This is the Underdog Investor HQ/campus where our members and our clients and our community can come, gather, learn, do DeFi together, learn about money, learn about investing. I'm so passionate about this topic. I grew up in a trailer park. I grew up with very little. And so from an early age, I had a natural curiosity to money and how that works, and why do some people seem to have that freedom and have that money, and why do others, like myself, living in a trailer park with really hardworking parents, why don't we? And so this has been a dream, and this is going to become the campus to bridge that online piece with the actual in-person stuff. So I'm going to flip this camera around, give you a quick tour. We've had this for about 30 days. We've done a bunch of renos, and we still have some to do. Excited to see you here. Keep your ears open and your eyes peeled for invites. It will start for just UIG members, but it will be a perk of and a reason to be in the UIG if you do crave in person and actually getting around other people. There's an energy that I can't explain. Then this will be for you. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and let's check this place out. All right, so we're still doing some work and wrapping up the rest of this. When we bought this place, it was a disaster. There was big walls everywhere, little tiny offices and cubbies. We tore all that down, grinded the concrete because this used to be a surfboard manufacturing shop, and there was just epoxy and glue and paint everywhere. So grinded the floors, resealed them. This whole place was just raw drywall, so painted the whole place so it actually looks nice. Stairs are almost done, because they were just kind of this raw, ugly plywood, basically. Everything was repainted. There's gonna be a really cool workstation here, basically like a nice big table. This is gonna become a YouTube/podcast studio, so we are building out our own studio. We're gonna have some cool guests in here. Also, when members and clients come by, we can actually have a conversation, have an interview, etc. So this is the final piece of the project. It's gonna be pretty cool. This is it will eventually be an office when we have a bigger team, but for now, this will just be a cool place to store a vehicle. All the cars I got, I think 9 cars. We're gonna have hoists, they're all gonna be here, which will be kind of cool because I like working in inspiring places. This bathroom was total trash when we got it. So redid it, laid down new floors, painted all the walls, got our new vanity. It was the weirdest thing because this used to be just a wall here, and then there was a door that came from here into that office that went into a shower. We still need to redo the shower, tile it, and all that, but I wanted a shower in the workspace because I am gonna have a gym here. So when clients come over or when I'm just in the morning want to get a quick workout in, I can, and then I can go take a shower so I don't smell. And then I'm gonna take you upstairs really quick and the tour will be complete. Let me know in the comments if you love to come by. We will host open office days, and that's just gonna be open to YouTube and our entire community. So would love to see you here. Let me know if you'd want to come. This is still a work in progress. We still gotta lay out a couple little things, build the closet out. There's gonna be a big table here, big whiteboard for teaching, and we're gonna have 2 big long tables that can fit 12 to 14 people each. So 25 people or more can gather here, and we're gonna host our masterminds, open office days, and collaborations. We're gonna be hosting a monthly mastermind all around money investing, crypto DeFi, some business entrepreneurship stuff, and it's gonna become kind of like the campus. So again, a little messy. I'm just working off this little table right here today, but yeah. Again, it's been a dream I've had for a long time. I never went to school, never went to university, always hated classrooms because I'd sit there and I'm like, I don't wanna know any of this. This doesn't actually better my life. And to now actually be building out a campus, an HQ, a place where we can learn about topics and subjects that actually move your life forward. That's the stuff that I can sit, I mean, I study, I'm self-taught, I read books, I read a book a week. Like, if the topic actually betters my life and moves my life forward, like money, investing, understanding that game, which again isn't the only game, There's much more to life than just money, but I find that when you have the money situation figured out, it opens up the time and space to actually focus and solve the problems that money can't solve, which is everything that's going on in here, which is tapping deeper into vision and purpose and spiritual connection. And not that you can't do that without money, but it becomes infinitely easier. We're not worried about paying the bills, which is why I love investing and I love the money game for practical reasons. So, anywho, would love to see you up here. Keep your eyes peeled and your ears open for the official invite. It's going to be 25 people at a time, first come, first serve. And it will be, UIG is going to be regular, but we will host some stuff for our YouTube community and just our community at large. So we'll love to see you here. Do let me know if that's something you're interested in. And with that said, keep rocking it, cheering for you, and happy investing. I'll see you in the next piece.